Imagine the moment someone clicks on your listing and lands on your website. At this point, the competition for attention is just beginning. Your page now needs to confirm immediately that it was the right choice, fulfilling the promise made in the search result. On-page SEO is all about guiding this experience from the very first glance. As soon as the page loads, visitors are asking themselves a silent question: am I in the right place? Your main headline answers that question before anything else, acting as a quick confirmation of the topic and your expertise. A specific, straightforward headline tells them, without delay, that they've found exactly what they searched for. The content visible without scrolling, what's known as above the fold, sets the tone. The best pages deliver instant value in this space, so the visitor doesn't have to hunt for proof or relevance. Whether it's a clear answer, a useful definition, or an inviting next step, the page should earn trust right away. Subheadings then guide the reader through the rest of the content, breaking it into clear sections that each serve a single purpose. Think of this as a guided tour, where every stop supports the original intent behind the search. Mixing multiple goals or cluttering the page with unrelated ideas only creates confusion. Instead, one page should have one job: answering one search intent as completely as possible. Internal links act like street signs, pointing visitors to deeper information or related topics. These links are most effective when they send visitors to your strongest, most relevant page, the one best positioned to own that search topic. Supporting pages should feed authority and clarity to this leader page, not compete with it. Pages start to lose effectiveness when they compete with each other for the same search intent, which is why preventing keyword cannibalization is a central part of on-page SEO. When more than one page tries to answer the same question, both lose power and your rankings become unpredictable. Another silent drag on performance is keyword stuffing, where repetition replaces real explanation. Visitors and search engines alike recognize when content is being padded rather than clarified. True optimization explains concepts simply and thoroughly, never relying on repeating keywords for effect. The text-to-HTML ratio becomes more important as websites use modern builders and templates. Pages filled with heavy structure, scripts, and design elements can look polished but feel thin to search engines if there isn't enough genuine content. The strongest pages use structure and design to support the message, keeping the experience easy and enjoyable for real people. When all these elements work together, the on-page experience feels simple, direct, and valuable. Visitors find what they need quickly, and search engines see a clear, purposeful page that delivers on the promise made in search results. The result is not just a higher click-through rate, but deeper engagement and more meaningful actions, whether that means a call, a form submission, or simply a visitor staying to learn more. Next, we'll look more closely at keyword cannibalization and how eliminating internal competition can unlock stronger, more stable results for every search intent you target.